Diving into the world of car upgrades, Manthey-Racing has its eyes set on enhancing the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. A recent video sneakily caught the test car giving it all on the renowned Nurburgring circuit. Now, if you look closely, the modified 911 GT3 RS by Manthey isn't sporting big visual changes from the original. Historically, Manthey's tinkering has centered around bettering the car's aerodynamics and chassis dynamics. Speaking of aerodynamics, the 911 GT3 RS is a beast. This car, right from the showroom, can churn out a whopping 910 pounds of downforce when cruising at 124 miles per hour. That's double the force its older version, the 991.2 generation, could generate. Zoom up to 177 miles per hour, and you're looking at a downforce of 1,896 pounds. Additionally, it took the honor of being the first Porsche that came with a system to reduce drag. With such jaw-dropping features already in place, it's going to be intriguing to see how Manthey ups the ante. A bit of history. Manthey rolled out an enhancement pack for the regular 911 GT3 not too long ago. And guess what? They didn't do it alone. They joined forces with Porsche. The result? A refined coilover suspension system. Manthey even stated that their enhancements reduced the Nurburgring lap time of the non-upgraded model by 4.1 seconds, bringing it down to a neat 6 minutes and 55.737 seconds. Another achievement in their cap? The enhanced 718 Cayman GT3 RS did the circuit in 7 minutes and 3.121 seconds. So, what did Manthey add? A larger lip spoiler, canards, aero discs for the wheels, and an innovative rear diffuser caught the eye. And if you think back, the older GT3 RS got a similar treatment. It's unlikely they'll stray too far from this pattern for the latest upgrade pack. Predictions? A more significant front splitter, revamped diffuser, a fresh wing, and other tweaks. Under the hood of this modified RS, we expect to find Porsche's iconic, naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine. This powerhouse boasts 518 horsepower, propelling the car to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. Its maximum speed? A breezy 184 miles per hour. And if you're wondering about the gearbox, it's Porsche's 7-speed PDK transmission. No other options there.